So today I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide to make very fluffy akara. This is so delicious, very simple, and very easy. Welcome to the social side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka, and you're highly welcome to my channel today. So the first thing you want to do is to pick your beans to remove all the dirt, the stone from the beans. The beans I'm using is honey beans. So I have a video of where I showed how to preserve your beans, so you need to check that out. So I'll be dropping the link in the description box below. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is just to add some water into your blender. Make sure you are generous at this point with water, and then you're going to use the pause function of the blender. So this is just to help to remove the back of the beans very easy. So just as the way you were seeing me do in this video, I'm not blending, I'm just using the pause function, just some few pauses, and the back of the beans is going to come out easily. So there's no need of squeezing the beans to remove the back. Just the way you are seeing me do, just press the pause function of your blender and the back of the beans will come out easily. I don't think there's any blender out there that doesn't have a pause function, so every blender has pause function in it, so make sure you use that. Please do not go and blend. So once you've done that, then add enough water into your beans and make sure that you have enough water in there so that the back of the beans can just come off easily, and can use a sieve to sieve out the back of the beans. If you're new to my channel, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metuka, and you're highly welcome to my channel. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to get notified when I drop new video. You don't want to miss out on my video, so make sure you turn on your post notifications, so anytime I post new video, short, long video, you'll get a notification that Teresa Metuka has dropped new video. Do not forget to like and comment below. I would love to hear from you. As you can see, it's so easy to take off the peel or the back of the beans from the beans. Super easy. So the next thing you want to do is just to clean your sink so that you don't have that very strong bean smell all over your kitchen. Very important. So the next thing you want to do is just to add some water into your blender. Do not add too much, as if you do, it's just going to affect your akara. Add in your beans. Please, I'll advise that you blend this in batches so that you don't overwork your blender and you're not tempted to add more water, and this is going to just pour your akara. So add in some onion. Beans and onion are two best friends, so you want to keep them together. So blend this until smooth. So please do remember, do not add too much water, as this is going to affect your akara. You will not end up with akara. So the next thing is just to pour this out. I always like to remain some of that batter, and then I add in the remaining one and add in my onion and add in some water. This will prevent me from adding too much water so that I don't have like a runny batter that will not result to akara. This is very important. So blend this until everything is smooth. So the next thing you want to do is just to add in some chopped onions and pepper. So add in some salt. That's the only seasoning that we're going to add in our akara, and then this is what is going to make your akara very fluffy, is the addition of egg. Trust me on this, this is a game changer. Just mix up everything together, and I promise you the result will be the most fluffiest akara that you've tasted before. So there's no need of using any other spices. Just salt is the only spice that you need to make your akara, and that is what is going to make your akara super tasty and very delicious.
When Teresa in the kitchen, now good vibes, sweet smell, and correct taste. Oh yeah, now.
To do just to heat up some oil, then add in some onion into that oil so that it can give your oil that very nice taste, and then add your akaras. Just see the way I'm scooping the akara with my spoon. Very easy. This is how your batter should look like. so that it will result to nice akara, so that you don't end up with running batter. So that's why I said do not add too much water. So that is what is going to affect your batter. If you just go and add too much water, it will not form into akara. Just scoop that into your hot oil. So make sure that there's a little bit of space in between the batter, so you don't overcrowd the pan, and then do akara batter, then soak oil, so that you don't end up with very oily akara. So you just want to fry this for, let me just say, 6 minutes. So 3 minutes on one side, 3 minutes on the other side, or until everything is golden brown.
Be crime if you notice the pot. Banana bread way soft like cloud. One bite and you go shout out loud. I gonna drink with it.
Just allow one side of the akara to fry, and then you flip it, and then the other side to fry. So in total, it might take you 4 to 6 minutes for you to get the golden brown akara. So yummy. As you can see, it's very, very easy to make your akara at home. Like, I do this like anytime I just feel like eating akara, I just go ahead and make my akara. So I have another type of akara. I call that one the rich akara. This is where you add lots of taste into your akara. I added chicken, I added fish as well. So you want to check out that video. That is super yummy rich akara. So I will drop the link in the description box for that particular video. You need to try out that akara too. So yummy, so tasty. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. You can see it's so easy to make fluffy akara. Without the addition of that egg, you're going to have this very fluffy, tasty akara. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Bye.